Are you preparing for MHT CET 2024? Then you are in the right place. Today we'll be diving into the Maharashtra State Common Entrance Test, or MHT CET, for the year 2024. This exam is a gateway for students who dream of securing a seat in the top engineering and pharmacy colleges across Maharashtra. It's a highly competitive exam held annually and tests the mettle of aspirants in subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology. The significance of this exam cannot be overstated, as it can shape the future of the students, opening doors to premier institutions and a world of opportunities. It's not just about the knowledge you've accumulated over the years, but your ability to apply it under pressure and within time constraints. So to make your journey smoother and your preparation more focused, we are here to guide you. Understanding the exam pattern is the key to crack MHT CET 2024. You must know the pattern of MHT CET 2024 to prepare effectively. The Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, or MHT CET, is a gateway for students into the world of engineering, pharmacy, and agriculture courses in the state of Maharashtra. So, understanding the exam pattern is a critical step in your preparation journey. The MHT CET exam pattern is designed to test your knowledge and understanding of three primary subjects: physics, chemistry, and mathematics or biology, depending on your field of interest. The exam is divided into two papers. Paper 1 is for mathematics, while Paper 2 is for physics and chemistry combined. If you're a biology student, you will have an additional paper. Each paper is of 100 marks and contains multiple choice questions. Paper 1, which is mathematics, has 50 questions, and each correct answer will fetch you 2 marks. Paper 2, which includes physics and chemistry, has 100 questions with each correct answer giving you 1 mark. If you're from the biology stream, then there's an additional paper which again has 100 questions with each correct answer giving you 1 mark. One important thing to remember is that there is no negative marking for incorrect answers, so you can attempt all the questions without the fear of losing marks. In terms of duration, each paper is designed to be completed in 90 minutes. This means you will have to manage your time effectively. The questions in the exam are based on the syllabus of Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. They are set in a way to test your understanding and application of concepts rather than rote memorization. Remember, the exam is conducted in English or Marathi or Urdu for physics, chemistry, and biology, and mathematics paper is in English only. Now that you know the pattern, it's time to dive into the preparation strategy. A well-planned strategy can make a huge difference in your performance. And that's why we're here in Scene 3, to delve into the heart of an effective preparation strategy. First up, let's talk about the importance of a study plan. You know, the kind that's not just a fleeting thought, but a concrete schedule written down, highlighting your study hours and breaks. A study plan is like a roadmap that guides you through the labyrinth of syllabus. By allocating time to each subject based on its weightage and your comfort level, you ensure that no topic is left untouched. Now, let's move on to subject-wise preparation. Each subject in MHT CET 2024, be it physics, chemistry, or mathematics, requires a unique approach. For instance, physics demands a solid understanding of concepts and their real-world applications. Chemistry, on the other hand, requires you to be good at memorization, while mathematics calls for practice and more practice. Tailor your preparation method to suit the needs of each subject. Remember, it's not just about studying hard, but also about studying smart. And speaking of smart, let's not forget the goldmine that is previous year question papers. Regular practice of these can help you understand the exam pattern, question style, and also highlight the topics that frequently make an appearance. They serve as an excellent self-assessment tool, showing you where you stand and the areas you need to work on. In addition to these, make sure to revise regularly. Revision is the key that locks the information in your memory. It ensures that you're ready to recall and apply what you've learned when it matters the most during the exam. One last thing, though it might sound cliché, never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and a healthy diet. They help keep your brain sharp and your energy levels high, both crucial for effective learning. Remember, a good strategy is half the battle won, but what about the other half? It's practice. So, let's move on to our next scene, where we will discuss the importance of practice and revision in greater detail. Stay tuned. Practice makes perfect. This phrase holds exceptionally true for MHT CET 2024. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty. When it comes to preparing for any exam, especially one as pivotal as the MHT CET, there are two main components that often get overlooked: practicing and revising. Imagine your mind as a filing cabinet. Every time you learn something new, you're essentially creating a new file of information. If you don't revisit this file often, it gets pushed further and further back in the cabinet. And eventually, when you need to retrieve this file during the exam, you might struggle to find it. That's where the importance of practice and revision comes in. Firstly, let's talk about the significance of solving sample papers and previous year question papers. Doing so is like taking a mock test under real exam conditions. It helps you to understand the pattern of the exam, the types of questions asked, and the areas where you need to improve. You'll also get to know your strengths and, more importantly, your weaknesses. Once you identify these, you can focus on improving them. Next, let's focus on the importance of regular revision. Many of us have a tendency to cram everything in the last few days before the exam. But that's not the most effective strategy. Instead, regular revision is the key. It helps to reinforce the information in your mind, making it easier to recall during the exam. But remember, revision isn't just about reading and rereading your notes. It's about actively engaging with the material. Try explaining the concepts to someone else. Use flashcards or mind maps. Experiment with different methods until you find what works best for you. In the end, it all boils down to this: the more you practice, the more you revise, the better you'll perform. You'll not only gain confidence, but also develop a deeper understanding of the concepts. So, don't underestimate the power of practice and revision. Your practice and revision will decide how well you execute your strategy on the exam day. Scoring 150 in MHT CET 2024 is not a dream. It can become your reality with the right approach. Let's delve into some tips that will help you scale this mountain of 150. Firstly, focus on high-weightage topics. Yes, each topic is important, but some carry more weight than others. For instance, in physics, mechanics and electricity contribute significantly to the total marks, while in chemistry, organic chemistry and physical chemistry often have higher weightage. In mathematics, calculus and algebra are key areas. Prioritize these topics, but do not ignore the others. Secondly, manage your time wisely during the exam. Remember, you have 3 hours to answer 150 questions. That's roughly about 1 minute per question. Practice this timing during your mock tests. Speed is vital, but accuracy is paramount. Answering quickly doesn't mean rushing through the paper. It's about understanding the question swiftly and responding accurately. Thirdly, maintain a calm and positive mindset. This is easier said than done, especially when you're in the throes of the exam. But remember, your mental state can significantly impact your performance. Practice mindfulness exercises like deep breathing or a quick meditation before the test to calm your nerves. Additionally, it's crucial to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep are as important as your study schedule. Your brain needs to be in its prime condition to perform optimally. Lastly, believe in yourself. Self-confidence is a key ingredient for success. Remember, you've worked hard and prepared well. You're not going into the battlefield unarmed. You have your knowledge, your practice, and your strategies. Believe in these weapons and march ahead with conviction. Achieving a high score in MHT CET 2024 is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. So take that step today, and let's make scoring above 150 not just a dream, but a reality. Your preparation for MHT CET 2024 has already begun with this video. We've walked through the exam pattern, highlighting the key areas to focus on. We've also discussed effective strategies for preparation, emphasizing the importance of understanding concepts rather than rote memorization. We've underscored the need for regular practice and revision to consolidate your learning and ensure you're ready for the big day. We've also shared tips to help you score above 150 in the MHT CET 2024, from mastering time management to honing your problem-solving skills. Remember, it's not just about hard work, but also about smart work. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses and tailoring your preparation accordingly. Now, it's your turn. Take this knowledge, this strategy, these tips, and make them yours. Start your journey today with determination, with positivity, and with the belief that you can achieve your goals. You have the strategy, you have the tips. Now all you need is to take action. Start your preparation today, and success will be yours in MHT CET 2024.